There's many ways to go about it, right? Remember, guys, with data science, it's not so much about the individual data or the domain knowledge. It's about the process, right? It's about understanding the process to create the algorithm, right? The methodology that you use. So I wouldn't get too caught up in saying, well, I got to go to a maintenance company or a manufacturing company or a mining company and get their data. It's more about the process. So, for example, a lot of predictive maintenance is also time series based, right? So I wouldn't want to become a maintenance or a industrial expert. I want to become a time series expert, right? Because then if I know time series, then I can apply it to any number of industries. It just so happens that you're going to apply it to predictive maintenance, which is a huge industry, by the way. I'm glad you're exploring that. You're on the right track. But don't feel like, well, I can't continue unless I have that specific domain data. No, you just need time series data. You just need to know time series models really, really well, right? So the aim here, the aim for you, Syed, should be to become a time series expert, not a maintenance expert. Okay? So I hope that helps. Yeah, so you said the follow-up, but yeah, but don't, data set should be the least of your worries. Just use a synthetic time series data. You can have ChatGPT do that for you. We did that yesterday in the class. We did the entire class yesterday with synthetic data sets, right? So there's no reason why you couldn't do that. Go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to produce you a synthetic time series data set.